everybody, welcome back to a new video. So today we are with Rylee again. So
he's gonna be making his own slime.
Yeah. Rylee's gonna be teaching me.
Yes, and you're gonna do it.
And we're gonna use Rylee's water to hold this up.
Right here.
Cause you know how cameras go.
Okay. So first, you're gonna want to add like this much of the glue. So you can take this off because it's way harder to do it like that. So add like a quarter.
Tell me
of it.
when to stop. Just
Okay.
tell me when to
Okay.
stop.
Just squeeze it.
Tell me to stop. It's filling.
Keep going.
Filling.
Let's keep going. Stop. There. All right.
That's like 1 inch of
Hey, you want to see how much glue I have?
Oh god.
Oh! Okay, so now I don't have any red food coloring, so we're going to use green. So put like 2 in to start. So take the cap off. Just put it on your right shirt. Here, help. And then add like 2 drops. Okay.
Its eyes. Guys, I'll show you guys. So watch. See its eyes.
Okay, so now if you want, you can mix. So you can mix this up.
Okay, I will. Yep, it's turning into. It's turning it. It's turning it in.
And do you want like a special smell? Because I have this pumpkin latte. Do you want a special smell? Smell good? Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, because I'm interested in like different kinds of.
It's sanitizer. It makes it smell so good.
And do I keep mixing it?
Yeah. Just keep mixing it. And do you want it like a darker green or do you want it that green?
Darker green.
Darker.
You know who? You know me.
Oh, sorry. Dang it.
It's fine.
I was supposed to put 2, but just dropped right in. Is that good? Like, let me.
It could be a light dark.
Yeah.
Or if I do enough.
Is this fun?
Yeah.
This is why I like to do slime. Grandma, come here. I'm teaching Connor how to make slime.
Man.
You like that? You like that? Smell it. See if it smells
Now,
good.
guys, probably I met Rylee's dogs. They're just showing up randomly.
Smell it. It
But-
smells good.
Yeah, you're right. I can smell it from just like up here.
Okay. So, we're going to do 1 cup at a time of activators. So, put like, here, you can just leave the spoon like that. And then just we're going to do 1 cup at a time. So I'm going to mix it while you're putting it in there. So see, it's getting thick. That's how you mix it in. So then we're going to do more. I'm just going to pour it in.
I hope that's not too much activator, but I'll hold it since you're doing the rest. Okay, guys, it's gonna be some good slime. Okay, let's see it.
Oh, yeah. All right. So do you want me to do the kneading part? Yeah, because you're going to freak out.
Oh, did it turn into slime yet?
It's not. No, I need to knead it first.
Knead it? What's knead it?
Mix it. What? I can't.
Okay, so it should be enough to be a little slimy.
Does he have anywhere to sit?
He wants to stand. Do you want to stand? Okay. It's
You
okay.
can sit there if you want to sit there and watch her.
This is actually his slime.
All right, girl.
Helping me.
I didn't really want you to do that today. Look at how you're getting it all over.
I can mix.
And the dogs will eat it if it's on the floor. You know that.
Yeah, it's not on the floor yet.
Don't get on your shirt.
I'm sitting and watching you.
Okay.
See our shirts? They kind of match.
Yeah.
And Connor has it. Sean had a shirt on
Okay.
like that.
We'll see you guys later. It's gonna be some. Next video is gonna be playing with that slime when it's done. See you guys later. Bye.